Hi, I am Sherwin Suaco, a third-year Bachelor of Science Electrical Engineering student. Today we will discuss liquid vapor displays or LVDs. So what is this LVDs? It is the most popular and the most latest economical display technology. It is operate on the principle of the newly reflective passive display and depends on the presence of ambient light for their working. The structure consists of roughness glass surface with transparent volatile of same refracted index and that of glass. The rear surface is blackened. A voltage drive is used for heating the transparent electrode. So we have here two conditions. We have off and on conditions. What is off conditions of display? If you talk about the off conditions of display, the no load voltage is applied to the transparent electrode. The black background is seen through the front transparent glass electrode and the liquid. If we talk about the on conditions rather, voltage is applied to the transparent electrode. Electrode gets heated, causing the evaporation of liquid in contact with it. And therefore, a combination of vapor film and vapor bubbles form around the roughness glass surface. So the difference between the off and on conditions, there is a matter of voltage here. In off conditions, the no load voltage is applied, while the on conditions, the with voltage is applied to the transparent electrode. Visual displays unit. We have here a VDUs. We talk about the VDUs here. So large arrays of characters can be built using alphanumeric device as already discussed, but the number of connections and the complexity of the drive logic circuitry increase significantly, although large-scale integrated LSI circuits can be employed for this purpose. What is all about the VDUs? So a versatile alternative to an array of individual devices is the CRT, in which the displays employed by the oscilloscope, televisions, receivers, and visual display unit or VDUs. The CRT converts either current or voltage in displacement of an electron beams and the light spot. It is considered as an inverse transducers. So if we talk about the VDUs unit as a summary, when employed in an oscilloscope, it is the ideal for displaying waveforms as a functions of time and waveforms as the function of one another. TV, the television itself, extends the ability of an observer to view inaccessible or hazardous areas and several processes simultaneously. So it is a display. The VDUs is a device similar to a TV set, which displays alphanumeric graphic and pictorial data generated electronically. With increasing use of computers for data processing, a variety of VDUs has become available using the ordinary CRT or the storage CRT. In the latter case, data are stored in the CRT in the form of electronic charge. So if we talk about VDUs, our technology in the present time, in the current time, like TVs, gadgets, cell phones, so that is the type of the visual displays unit. The characters are generated by the line raster techniques, similar to the techniques employed in TV tubes. The tube make use of a pattern of 20 horizontal lines, and the characters form a 5x7 dot matrix caused by unblocking the electrodes. This display capable of the tube is determined by the characters generator, containing the information or memory required to generate the characters. The coder is connected to the character generator and accepts BCD inputs. Operators select only the information required and in the event of fault by emergency conditions. And now let us talk about the comparison of various displays device. First is the CRTs, LEDs, LCDs, and NEXIs. What is the advantage or the merits of the CRTs? First is this uniform, bright, efficient, planar displays, all colors, and good reliability. So what is the advantage? It is high initial cost, bulky, high voltage required, and non-digital address. So the application of CRTs is for the large displays, console, displays, small, and large group viewing. So for LEDs, the advantage of this is a small size, compatible with ICs, efficient, bright, available in color red, yellow, green, and amber, rugged in construction, wide temperature range. The advantage of this is it's have a low switching speed, limited reliability, high cost per element. For application of this, the indicators and small displays in the individual viewing plot panel. It is for indicators. So for LEDs, the advantage of this is for good contrast in bright ambient light, low power consumption, low cost per element, compatible with ICs. The advantage of this is a large area, low switching speed, limited temperature range, and AC operation is necessary. For Nexus, the advantage of this is it's have a low cost per element, compatible with ICs, bright and range of colors available. The dismerit of this is have high drive power. So it is application is for it is indicator for small, medium, and large display, small group viewing. So it is opposite to the CRTs, because CRTs have a large display, while the Nexus is for the small display. So that's all for today. I hope you learned from my discussion this morning. It's all about the liquid vapor display, or LVDs, and the visual display unit, or the VDUs. Thank you, everyone.